I have some good news and I have some bad news. Today, tale of two halves. So you may have woken up rather misty, rather grey, as it was here in York, but the sun has come out. However, further west, we have quite a bit of cloud and rain. So I'll tell you about that in a moment. This is how it looks where we've got the sunshine. Beautiful, beautiful out there for many parts of England, many parts of East Wales, the east of Scotland. But this does grab the eye. This is a weather front. It's been raining on and off for Northern Ireland the last 24 hours. It is starting to ease from the west now, moving its way into the west of Scotland, western fringes of England and Wales. But for most of us, it may be a little hazy, but it'll feel quite warm with the light winds. However, as we go through the evening and overnight, that weather front will continue to progress eastwards, so it blankets the fall in temperature. So it's not going to be quite as chilly tonight, except across the southeast and East Anglia, where again the mist and fog could well return. Should be a little bit drier though for Northern Ireland, and after what has been a rather soggy 36 hours, tomorrow is looking a little bit drier as well. But our weather front is with us, so it's a greyer start. There's more cloud around tomorrow, and actually when the sunshine does punctuate through that cloud tomorrow, we're going to see some fairly sharp showers going up across parts of Scotland, eastern Scotland, where we've had some really warm weather for the last couple of days. It does look a little bit drier. Northern Ireland wouldn't like to rule out a shower, some heavy ones across central and southern England and the northeast of England as well. So on balance, probably not quite as high the temperatures tomorrow as today. And as we go through tomorrow evening overnight, that continues to progress eastwards out into the North Sea. And then the changes to what has been billed as some really quite cold weather towards the start of the bank holiday weekend start to take place on Thursday. Some big showers, thunderstorms around, hail as well, barely 6 or 7 degrees in the north by the end of the day. And that's because we've got a change in air taking place. We're getting some Arctic maritime air. So that's a wind right the way from the poles, coming right the way south across the UK, just in time for the start of the bank holiday weekend. So what does that mean to us weather-wise? Well, wintry showers in the north on Friday. Lots of showers further south as well. Temperatures barely 8 or 9 on the east coast, barely 5 or 6 in the north. Bearing in mind that in Inverness yesterday it was nearly 21 degrees Celsius, barely 5 or 6. And it'll feel a lot colder in that strong northerly wind. But bear with us, because we do cut off that northerly wind as we go into the bank holiday weekend. So although we are going to start with some nighttime frost Saturday and Sunday morning, actually, by the time we cut off that northerly wind, light winds, some sunshine will make it feel increasingly warm as we go through the bank holiday weekend. And it should, for most of us, be dry. So there we have it, Simon. Some good, some bad in there.
Helen, thank you very much for that.